The cryptocurrency market is evolving faster than almost any other asset class on the planet. And heading into 2026, a new wave of opportunities taking shape, driven by institutional adoption, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology that is finally delivering on its early promises. But with thousands of coins competing for attention, how do you know which ones are actually worth your money? In this video, we break it down simply and clearly. These are the top 5 cryptocurrencies that analysts, on-chain data, and market fundamentals are pointing toward as the strongest investment opportunities for 2026. Whether you are completely new to crypto or looking to sharpen your portfolio strategy, this breakdown is for you.
Starting with the most recognized name in crypto, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative asset, it is now a mainstream financial instrument. Following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States, institutional investors, including some of the world's largest asset managers, have begun allocating to Bitcoin through regulated financial products for the first time. Combined with the 2024 halving event, which cut the daily supply of new Bitcoin in half, the conditions that have historically preceded Bitcoin's biggest price surges are once again in place. Analysts tracking this cycle are projecting price targets ranging from $150,000 to over $200,000. For anyone building a crypto portfolio in 2026, Bitcoin is the foundation.
Next is Ethereum, the network that powers the majority of decentralized applications, digital contracts, and financial tools built on blockchain technology. What makes Ethereum particularly compelling for 2026 is a feature most investors overlook. Since its transition to proof of stake, Ethereum has become deflationary. Every transaction on the network permanently removes a small amount of ETH from circulation. As usage grows, supply shrinks, and historically, shrinking supply combined with growing demand is one of the most reliable setups for price appreciation. Ethereum also underpins the rapidly expanding world of tokenized real-world assets. Major financial institutions are actively building on Ethereum infrastructure right now. That is not speculation, it is adoption happening in real time. With spot ETFs now approved and institutional interest accelerating, Ethereum enters 2026 with stronger fundamentals than at any previous point in its history. Third on the list is Solana, and this one is the comeback story of the entire crypto industry. After collapsing to under $10 in late 2022, Solana rebuilt its ecosystem from the ground up. By 2024, it had surpassed every other blockchain in daily transaction volume, processing more activity per day than Ethereum, at a fraction of the cost and in a fraction of the time. Solana's core advantage is raw performance. It processes up to 65,000 transactions per second, with fees that are nearly zero. That makes it the preferred network for high-frequency trading applications, decentralized exchanges, mobile crypto apps, and the emerging world of on-chain gaming. Developer activity on Solana is at all-time highs. When developers build on a platform, users follow. And when users follow, demand for the native token grows. For 2026, Solana represents one of the highest potential investments on this list. Number 4 is one of the most important projects in blockchain that most casual investors have never heard of, and that is exactly why it belongs on this list. That project is Chainlink. Here is the simplest way to understand what Chainlink does. Every smart contract on every blockchain needs real-world data to function: interest rates, stock prices, weather events, currency exchange rates. But blockchains cannot access that data on their own. Chainlink is the secure bridge that delivers verified real-world data directly into smart contracts across virtually every major blockchain network. As the tokenization of real-world assets, including bonds, equities, commodities, and real estate,
accelerates into 2026, every single one of those tokenized assets will need reliable data infrastructure. Chainlink is the dominant provider of that infrastructure. It already has active integrations with major global financial institutions. This is not a future promise, it is a present reality, with significant room to grow. And at number 1, the cryptocurrency that sits at the intersection of the two most powerful technology trends defining this decade. That coin is Render, ticker symbol RNDR. Here is the core idea. Artificial intelligence requires enormous amounts of GPU computing power to function. Training models, generating images and video, running real-time applications, all of it depends on GPU resources that are expensive and increasingly scarce when sourced from centralized providers. Render decentralizes this entirely. It connects GPU owners around the world with developers and creators who need computing power, processing every transaction through the RNDR token. As demand for AI computing grows, and every indicator points to years of sustained growth ahead, the value of the network that powers it grows with it. Render has real clients, real transaction volume, and real tailwinds from the AI revolution. For investors seeking the highest upside play of 2026, one with genuine utility and a market that is only expanding, Render is the most compelling answer on this list. So let's bring it all together. Bitcoin gives your portfolio institutional-grade stability as the most adopted and most trusted digital asset in the world. Ethereum powers the decentralized financial infrastructure being built right now by major global institutions. Solana delivers unmatched speed and scale for the next generation of blockchain applications. Chainlink provides the critical data infrastructure that makes real-world blockchain adoption possible. And Render positions you directly inside the growth story where artificial intelligence meets decentralized computing. Each of these 5 cryptocurrencies has a clear use case, a growing user base, and meaningful catalysts heading into 2026. That combination, utility, adoption, and timing, is what separates strong investment opportunities from speculation. As always, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency carries real risk. Research each project carefully before investing and never put in more than you can afford to lose. If you found this breakdown useful, give this video a like. It genuinely helps more people find this content. Subscribe for weekly analysis on cryptocurrency, AI stocks, and market trends. And share this with someone who is just getting started with investing. We will see you in the next one.